chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. Psst, I have a secret between you and me. Press the subscribe button and to have access to great content of this kind. This is a secret. Shh. So today I want to introduce you Chainlink, L-I-N-K. As you can see, I am right now on CoinGecko and the price is about $22 in US value. Lately we heard about Chainlink, hit the top 5 and all the spike around it and all people talk about it. Oh, Chainlink to the moon, high time here, high time there, and all people want to make profit with Chainlink. But what this project is so special? I asked myself the same thing, but it's the first time I present you and I read about it yesterday only, prior to shoot this video. So I never take the time to dig into Chainlink because we have so many projects in the cryptos first that it's impossible, humanly impossible, to cover all new project, all the established project out there. It's humanly impossible, and the time you will finish all the project that exists out there, they will have probably 10 times more. So anyway, so now it's a hot topic right now, the Chainlink, because the surge and people, speculator and investor want to tap into this field and say what is so special. So let's go jump right away what is behind Chainlink. As you can see, the market cap is about 8 billion in Canadian money. I'm on 9 billion. This is a lot of money. And the 24-hour trading view, it's about 3.5 billion, my friend. So rank number 5. So let's go jump to the main page of Chainlink. What is so special? Because we heard about it, the word DeFi, decentralized finance. I think this have a correlation. DeFi with Chainlink, both work together. I need some coffee in the meantime. Press subscribe button right now. Take action and press the subscribe button. So as you can see, I am on the main page here, Chainlink. Your smart contract connected to the real world data, event, and payment. The Chainlink network provides reliable tempo-proof input and output for complex smart contract on the blockchain. Strange. Chainlink ring-fence data. So let's go continue on the main page. As you can see, what you need to keep in mind, connect to any external IP, send payment anywhere. Easily connect smart contract to the data source and APIs they need to function. Send payments from your contract to bank account and payment networks. So basically, Chainlink do the same thing as Ben that I covered a few weeks ago. So you have the blockchain layers, but you need to go connect to reliable source outside of your blockchains. That is the value where Chainlinks play. So you are on your main chain blockchain. For example, I don't know, you have a DApp and you need to have real-time price that appear on your DApp, but you integrate Chainlink into your DApp with one simple code or a simple code. All the rest you focus on your project development, but at least you are to have access to reliable source of information outside of your blockchain. So connect to any external API. So you need to keep in mind, go find reliable information outside of your blockchain and you can focus on your DApp. So they have major players that just use this technology. For example, you have Binance, Changpeng Zhao. Through the help of Binance data and Chainlink network, we can help accelerate the growth defined. I don't know, Google, Alan Day, Science Advocate. Ethereum, they have smart contract applications request data from Chainlink, which is turn retrieve data from web services built with Google App Engine and BigQuery. At Part 4, another great DeFi project out there that I'm using right now. The Oracle system is core to the Amper4 protocol, integrated and working with a trusted partner like Chainlink to ensure reliable data feeds with further decentralize the Oracle system key of Amper4 future. As you can see, you need to connect your API outside and access and reliable information. You That's the core mission of Chainlink. Smart contract require end-to-end reliability. Smart contracts provide the ability to execute tamper-proof digital agreements, which I consider highly secure and highly reliable. In order to maintain a contract overall reliability, the input and outputs that the contract rely on also needs to be secure. Chainlink provide a reliable connection to external data to probably secure and end-to-end. So you access securely external data with IPR, and you have the security and peace of mind that the information is reliable. And this is the true value to use Chainlink. Learn more about Chainlink. So let's go jump to the next features of Chainlink. I need some coffee in the meantime, my friend. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. Small action, but it's mean a lot to me. So give your smart contract probably secure access to data feeds, API, and payment. Request a Chainlink. Connect to any API. As you can see, they have many components, so you can access. It will be great to have Chainlink to specify which type of API you can access. Send payment anywhere, as you can see, dollars, Bitcoin, central bank, precious metal, and they have. So connecting your smart contract to the input and output, it needs building a truly valuable smart contract required to use of multiple inputs to prove contractual performance, as well as multiple outputs to affect outside system and or send payment to complete the smart contract. Chainlink provides your smart contract with the inputs and outputs it needs to reach its full potential. Smart contract requires secure middleware to connect them to real-world data. This external data which trigger the contract, creating the needs for high reliability. You put the data, access, and you have with your interactions with Chainlink, Bitcoin, and this is an example. The problem, smart contracts can access data on their own, and this is important to emphasize that point. When developers implement the chosen smart contract, they encounter a connectivity problem. The smart contract is unable to connect with key external resources like off-chain data and API. The lack of external connectivity is due to the method by which consensus reaches around the blockchain transactions data. It's a problem for every smart contract network. So this is the true value, my friend. So data input you cannot access, but so this is a real problem. Centralized Oracle are a point of failure. Connecting smart contract to data input through a single node create the same problem that smart contract themselves seek to avoid. A single point of failure with a single Oracle node, your smart contract is only as reliable as that one node. So you have many data input and you have one point of failure. The solution, a highly reliable decentralized Oracle network. Chainlink decentralized Oracle network provide the same security guarantees as the smart contract themselves by allowing multiple Chainlink to evaluate the same data. As you can see, evaluate the same data before it becomes a trigger. We eliminate any point of failure. This is important, any point of failure, and maintain the overall value of contract that is highly secure, reliable. This is three important elements: secure, reliable, and trustworthy. As you can see, you have redundancy, multiple nodes, so you have security and multiple nodes. So if one node go down, your smart contract is going to continue to have the data that needed in real time. So read the white paper. I have the white paper I'm going to show you. Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle network, write by Steve Ellis, Iris Jules, and Synergy, 4 September 2017. So I'm just going to read the content right away. Contents that you're going to find in the white paper. It's architectural overview, on-chain architecture, and off-chain architectures, overall security, Chainlink's decentralized approach, distributing sources, distributing oracles, Chainlink security services. I'm going to put the link as well of the white paper. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. So you have the Chainlink services, security services, validation system, reputation system, certification services, contract upgrade services, link token usage, long-term technical strategy, confidentiality, infrastructure changes, off-chain computation, existing Oracle solutions, off-chain aggregations, OCA protocol, sketches, and discussions. I invite you to check it, but it's very technical. I checked yesterday, so I haven't read the essential of the white paper. But if you want to know more about Chainlink, it's always great to have to read it. But I think when you have a white paper, especially of the size of Chainlink, at least put an update, because you know it was written in 4th September 2017, and now we are almost 2020. Probably some key component has changed, so white paper need to evolve with time, I believe. That's just my point of view. So it's very technical. If you want to know more about the technical level, go for it. So let's go jump to the decentralized DeFi. You know, Chainlink. They have a conference, probably I'm going to register. It's completely free, my friend. So it's great. They have 2 days featuring the industry top leaders and luminaries, smart contract. I'm going probably to check that and subscribe today after the shooting of this vlog spontaneously. So one of the best use case to use Chainlink is with DeFi. Decentralized Oracle networks powering secure, reliable, and transparent price feed for DeFi. The Chainlink network provides tempo, resistant, and sustainable price feeds, furthering the growth of DeFi, because this is our trend, and that I think that's the reason why Chainlink has increased like a big spike recently. So 4 key important element about that: highly decentralized and secure infrastructure, independent and geographically distributed teams of security review node operators run decentralized infrastructure. This is important. High quality data sources that avoid manipulation. This is cool. This is really important. Market data sources from premium API provide full market coverage with rigorous validation before triggering your smart contract. Prove your smart contract end-to-end security to user. Easily verifiable and immutable on-chain data provides unique reliability guarantees of probable end-to-end security. A well-maintained sharing data resources. An open source community builds and funds on-chain reference data resources for the long-term viability of your smart contracts. Easily integrated Chainlink with one line of code, my friend. One line of code. Can you see the value of that solution? One line of code, you can use Chainlink integrated into your smart contract and or your DApp interface or your DApp. DApp you build to revolutionize the world, my friend, of finance, decentralized finance. Sorry, I need some cafe in the meantime. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give your user extensive guarantees about the reliability and quality of your smart contract. Highly decentralized and secure infrastructure. The highest quantity independent node operator with strong Sybil resistance. Open sources Chainlink software run by hundreds of security review DevOps team. Highly performance monitoring system ensuring continued uptime. High quality data sources that avoid manipulation. Premium data sources ensure high quality data is used to update your smart contract. Validation of premium data happen within the Chainlink network with multiple accuracy check. This is cool, my friend. Keep your smart contract connected to real market price that you expect to see. This is important. Prove your smart contract end-to-end security to users. Prove your smart contract end-to-end security to user with decentralized price inputs. Longest running Oracle proven to secure hundreds of millions of USD an asset. Million that you can be sure that is really secure, my friend. Utilize time-tested and battle-hardened and Oracle networks of maximum tempo resistance. So this outstanding. Extensive monitoring of your oracles. Numerous tools built by the ecosystem provide transparency and full visibility for price fee and the teams participating in them. This gives you confidence that the fees are reporting properly on all times. Read reference. Build DeFi project across multiple use cases. As you can see, synthetic asset platform require the price of real world assets in order to mint the representation on chain. Use Chainlink reference contract to create tokens die to real world assets such as gold, indies, or even car loans. Example, synthetic DMM. Lending and borrowing. Lending and borrowing platform require a price fee to ensure the total value of the collateral. Use Chainlink to issue and settle loan liquidity collateral and calculate interest payment. Example, AIF, BZX, and future swap. Stable coins. Stable coin require a price fee to offset the value of the underlying collateral backing the asset. Use Chainlink to create stablecoin pegged to fiat currency, currency basket, and commodities. Example, Amber4 and Even. Asset management. Asset management platform require a reliable price fees for critical rebalancing of asset ratios. Use Chainlink to power a DEX, adjust capital pools, or facilitate multiple forms of payment. Example, Looping, OpenLaw, Set Protocol, Nexus Mutual, Oppium Exchange. Add high-quality market data to your smart contract. End-to-end decentralization of reference price. I need some coffee in the meantime, my friend. So outstanding that's what Chainlink can provide to the world of DeFi, decentralized finance. As you can see, I just enumerate a few examples in the short term. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for the love of coffee and for the love of great content of this kind. To provide you valuable time and save you time and discover a great project that happen right now on the space, because the crypto space is really hard to follow everything that's going on. So end-to-end decentralizations of reference price data. First, high-quality data provider capture raw price data from all centralized and decentralized exchange and aggregated it, accounting for time, volume, and outlining. Next, independent node and Chainlink decentralized network fetch market price from various data providers and generate a manipulation-resistant price update. Manipulation-resistant price update. This is cool. So this is real value, my friend, to use Chainlink. Last, Chainlink price reference contract allow any smart contract to easily reference this highly accurate and on-chain price update using a simple function called one line, like I say. One line of code and you can have access to real thing like this. So as you can see, you can use exchange data providers, Chainlink nodes, reference contracts, user contract. Data providers. Data aggregators are professional services providers with an history of accurately curating key data points from various exchanges and providing the most reliable price to the ecosystem. These resilient services providers support the Chainlink network and are leveraged by non-operators to provide accurate price feeds to the ecosystem, not operator. Not operator are the bridge between a non-chain price feed and an API. They run secure blockchain infrastructure that allows them to plug into virtually any type of API endpoint. Non-operator on the Chainlink network are fully transparent and identifiable, with strong existing reputation in the blockchain space, verifiable by DeFi developer. Become a non-operator. So let's go jump to the next section. Introductions to price fee. Connect your smart contract to the outside world. This is the core mission at the moment of Chainlink. Chainlink price fee are the quickest way to connect your smart contract to the real world market price of asset. Then enable smart contract to retrieve the latest price of an asset in a single call. Retrieve the listed asset price. Often smart contract need to act upon prices of asset in real time. This is really important. This is especially true with DeFi, decentralized finance. For example, Synthetics use price fee to determine prices on the derivative platform. Lending and borrowing platform like Hive or price fee to ensure the total value of the collateral. What's next? Now that you know why price fee are useful, learn how to write smart contract. They have a bunch of information for documentation for Chainlink developer. I'm just going to share the main link and the white paper, so you're going to dig into it yourself. So let's go jump to the next section. Price reference data. Decentralized Oracle network for price reference data. The Chainlink network provides the largest collection of secure and decentralized on-chain price reference data, composed of security reviews, cyber resistant, and fully independent nodes, which are run by lending blockchain DevOps and security teams. Creating a sharing global resources, which is sponsored by a growing list of top DeFi DApp. Please feel free to look into the details of each decentralized Oracle network listed below. You can easily use this Oracle network to quickly and securely launch and add more capabilities to and or just greatly improve the security of your smart contract. Decentralized data reference data, they have a great example, Pair, FTS, Ponterous. So you need to track decentralized price reference data. So in real time, you need to track every type of pair, the trading pairs. And who has already integrated Chainlink? Great names from the DeFi space: Synthetics, Looprints, Aave, Amperfor, Set Protocol, Nexus Mutual, OpenLaw, DMM, BZX, Even, NH, Paraswap, and many more. FutureSwap, Plingpool, my god, it's Bancor. So it's a lot of companies out there find value to use Chainlink. And Chainlink, with the price, at the actual price, the real spike, we see in real time that is possible to make a killing. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you invest in truly potential platform like Chainlink that's provide real value for real people, real company, or real DApp that integrate Chainlink into the DApp infrastructure. So this is value equal monetary value, spike of the price, reflect of the price, because they have a balance. At any time, if you love what I'm doing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. Is take one action of your part, subscribe. And as well, come visit my outstanding website, Satoshi.com, for the love of crypto and coffee. And have a great day ahead, my friend, and have a great week as well. See you on the next vlog video. Ciao, ciao.